Hello, I'm Sarika. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate a web application that I have developed as part of CS50's web programming in Python and JavaScript. So this is project 4 network, which is a Twitter-like web application where user can register, sign in into their account, see all the post, like any post, follow other user can edit their own post as well as delete their own post. So let me begin my presentation by logging into an account first. So I have successfully logged in. So the first one that I'm going to demonstrate is new post. Clicking on right here takes me to another page where a text area is displayed where I can type in a content. So I have successfully saved a new post and it is displayed in the index.html. So the next one is all post. Clicking on all post will show all the post in reverse chronological order. So as you can see in here, and I can see the poster name, content, date and time, number of likes. So that is all post. Next one is profile page. So clicking on profile name takes me to profile page where I can see the number of followers and number of people that following this particular user. I have three sections: my post, my networks, and my likes. My post will show all the posts made by this particular user, again in reverse chronological order. Next one is my networks. In this particular section, user can toggle between following and not following and follow. So this is my network, so user can choose whether or not user follows this particular user or not. So the next one is my like. So it will show all the posts that current user has liked, or meaning all the posts that user has liked. So suppose user wants to follow likes this particular post, then my likes has updated with the new liked post. So that is profile. Also user can check on other user profile. So in that case it shows all the posts made by this particular user, and also a button to decide whether or not user follow this particular user or not. So that is profile page. Next one is following. So clicking on following takes to a page where user can see all the posts made by the user the current user is following. Suppose user is following only test, and if when I go back to following user, now only this particular page only shows the post made by the test. So that is following. And additionally this particular following is available only to user who has signed in. Suppose I am logging out, then this following section is not displayed. So that is following. Next one is pagination. As you can see, it can hold only 10 number of posts. When it goes to the 11th post, it goes to the next page. So older one goes to page number 2, and the latest one in the page number 1. So that is pagination. Next is edit post. User can edit their own post. Suppose I am editing. So editing this post is happening with the JavaScript, so it does not require a page reload. So that is edit post. User cannot edit any other user's post, so that has been handled in the backend. So next and last one is like. User can like or unlike the post. Unlike and unliking doesn't require a page reload. Additionally, I have added the delete post option where user can delete their own post. It is also implemented using JavaScript. Now also I have added this following and follower where user can see followers, following, and suggestion. So this is the project that I have developed as part of CS50's web programming in Python and JavaScript. Thank you.